And that's the whole thing with Amazon FBA. People are selling these products out here that are making tons and tons of money that people don't think of right off their head, or people don't find initially by using these type of methods. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel again. Now today in this video, I'm going to show you guys a type of product research method that a lot of you guys probably aren't using. Now, if you don't have the product or the web app for Jungle Scout, that is fine. You don't need that for this method. The only thing that you do need is the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, which you should already have, and you should be using it for all types of product research that you're doing. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and type in Amazon best sellers. Now, I know that we got a good amount of subscribers and stuff to the channel, a decent amount, but I just wanted to show you this to you guys for the people that haven't seen this before. So you go to Amazon's best sellers, and then the next thing that you guys want to do, you're actually going to go niche diving. So a lot of people, they underestimate this method because everyone's using the web app and everyone just found the same thing that Tanner J. Fox or Dan Voss or Derek Struggle, or all these other sellers are using that are outdated. Honestly, you want to use new methods, because with these new methods you're going to be able to find products that other people are not seeing, and that means you're going to be able to jump on products that are not as competitive and won't get as saturated as quickly. So the first thing that you guys want to do is you can pick any category here. Of course, the main categories. Don't pick anything that's gated, like clothes and jewelry and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and pick kitchen and dining. So what we're doing here is that we're niche diving very deeply into different categories. So once we click a main category or department, we do kitchen and dining, and then we go more specific. So let's say storage and organization. And then from here we just keep going deeper into the niche. So you basically just have to go through each one of these and just discover products this way. But however, you just have to go through it and see the different niches and discover these specific niches, because there's a lot of stuff out there that you probably wouldn't think of. So let's go ahead and go to the cabinet and drawer organization. So if we go ahead and scroll down here, as you can see, we're not we can actually get even more specific. So let's maybe go to cabinet accessories, and then from here what you guys can do, since it doesn't get any more specific, I would pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and then from here you can kind of gauge what type of different products that are going to be showing up and what type of revenue they're making and the amount of reviews that they have. So if you go ahead and I'll just look through here. This one has, so nothing that's really catching our eye right now. So let's go ahead and go out of this. So this is a method that you guys want to do because not a lot of people are doing this, guys, and it's very useful to know these type of methods without having to use a web app, because honestly you don't want to jump on a very saturated product. So let's go ahead and look at cabinet door organizers. Now I know I believe this product did well, but it is a little saturated. So let's go ahead and pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. And guys, you got to make this quick and quick and quick. You don't need to spend hours upon hours just trying to find one product in one specific niche. Just make it quick, because the quicker you're going to make this process, the quicker you're going to jump onto a product. Now, I'm not saying just find a product that looks good and automatically just jump on it and spend all that money. Of course, do deeper research and stuff, but you don't, like the way that I used to do product research and spend a whole bunch of time, and all these other people are doing the same thing. Honestly, you don't need to do that, guys. So let's go ahead and keep looking here. So this one has 3,600 in revenue. It's 8 reviews. So what we can do is actually pull up. So we got, let me see here. So see over the cabinet door, kitchen storage organizer. Cabinet door storage organizer. Let's actually search that up. So once you find like a product that you're interested in, go ahead and click on it, and we're gonna find other products that are related to that in this niche. So this is the whole objective right here, is to go deeper into these niches. So we're gonna look at other products that are similar to this. So the cabinet doors, kitchen storage organizer basket. So right off the top of your head, you don't think of something like this. You don't think of it as something that you can sell. But however, if you think about the niche, like products that can hang over the door, or cabinets that can hang over the door. So you just have to think about it, like, and just keep it in your head. Like it's very simple, guys. You shouldn't spend a whole bunch of time with this. But if you scroll down here, in this section here, you're going to be able to discover similar products that are related to in this niche as well. So if you go ahead and look through here, you can pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. Now it should show those products down below as well. So yeah, if you pull this up, you can see hanging over door. Okay, so this person has 3 reviews, is making 3,700. So hanging over door kitchen storage organizer. Hanging over door. So let's look at this. Alright, let's pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension really quickly. Let's go ahead. I'm just curious to see how these products are doing. I think I've seen other products in this niche before, but just curious. I don't know why this is not loading. Alright, as you can tell, it is pretty saturated. However, make sure that's not the only product that you are looking at. Like I said, go under the listing and look at what other customers bought along with it. So let's go ahead and, oh, I forgot, we have this tab. So look at other products that are related to it as well. So you can keep, once you scroll down the bottom here, just keep going and click these arrows right here, and you'll find other products that are related to it in this niche. So let me see, magnetic paper towel holder. Let me see that. Magnetic paper towel holder. Oops. So yeah, this is probably a little saturated, but you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do here, right? You're trying to find products that are related to each other, that are in a similar niche. And honestly, if you think about this, these aren't things that you're going to think of right off the top of your head, right? And that's the whole thing with Amazon FBA. People are selling these products out here that are making tons and tons of money that people don't think of right off their head, or people don't find initially by using these type of methods. And that's why they're able to jump on these products and not have that much competition and not have that many sellers, because they're not doing the same exact thing that everyone else is doing, which is using the web app and entering in all the same exact criteria. So we want to differentiate how we do our product research. But if you go on YouTube, you'll find many other sellers that are able to find products that no one else is finding in this section right here, because this is a very good section that you can find and sort of dive into a niche. It's, some people refer to it as like the rabbit hole. But we can go deeper into this niche here. Now, of course, you don't have to spend any more time on that. If you can't find anything, go into a different category, or go on to a different subcategory. So maybe, let me see something interesting here. So maybe utensil organizers. Then we can go ahead and pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension once again, just to see if there's any interesting products that we'd like to further dissect. So this product right here is 71,000 as one review. This one right here is a small poultry tray. I actually want to look at this really quick because that is crazy. And it's fulfilled by a merchant. So let me go ahead and pull this one up. What is this? Jumbo stainless steel utensil holder. I feel like this sounds like something that would be saturated. Let me look here. So let me go ahead and type that in, And let's see what this product is doing, because that's a little weird how that person is selling that much. Let me go ahead and pull this up for you guys. So yeah, that's the type of weird products that you will find. And sometimes, you know, you might find a product like that that's really good. That's really, it's probably not going to be doing that well, like 71,000, but uh, you can potentially find those products out there. It's just 9 times out of 10, they're probably not going to be like legit or products that you think that they are. So let me see. So it really doesn't look like it's selling well. I typed in the exact keywords for it, but that's weird. It's FBM. It's fulfilled by merchant. Has a buy box and everything. That's weird. They must be doing like some hardcore retail arbitrage or something like that. But all right, so let's go. So actually, let's keep this up here, and then we can actually scroll back and forth here in a second. I just want to look at the other product that I saw. So the small poultry tray. So this one has only have 5 reviews, but it's doing 22,000, which is pretty crazy. And the pictures aren't even that good. So let's look up small poultry tray or cut tree. I don't even know how to. I don't know how to pronounce that. So let's go ahead and see how these are doing. Small poultry tray. So you do have to think as well. If you see these type of products, some of them they might have had their reviews wiped, but they might still be high on the algorithm because of the daily organic sales that they have. Like I know people in the jade roller niche that had 0 reviews and doing 40,000, but they had so many sales each day. It's just like they're not. It doesn't matter how many reviews that they're doing; they're all the way at the top, #1. So it really didn't matter for them. So I mean, people were still buying it. So for this product, it doesn't really seem. It seems like a little competitive. That's weird. Let's actually, what you guys can do, I highly suggest you get this Keepa tool. It'll show you the sales history and basically the whole lifetime of the product. So if we go ahead and scroll down here, that's helium 10. So yeah, as you can tell, this one has 5 reviews and it's been up for 721 days. So that's how you know the reviews for the specific product were wiped. So you do have to watch out for that, guys. So just keep your guys' eye out for that. But dang, that's a disappointment. But yeah, this is the method that you guys want to use. And now you might find a product out there that is doing 22,000 with only 5 reviews. It just really depends on the criteria and everything. So this one's doing 38,000 with 15 reviews. Elevate stainless steel kitchen. French food ceramic utensil here. Let's look at ceramic utensil holder. Let's actually look at that because that sounds interesting. It's not something that you don't think of every day. So what's it called? Ceramic utensil holder. Ceramic utensil. Alright, so let's look that up really quick and then pull up the Jungle Scout Chrome extension once again. But yeah, guys, let me see here. So yeah, this product doesn't seem to be doing that well. I mean, it's doing well, but the reviews to sales ratio doesn't seem that consistent. So if we look at this product right here, wide mouth. So I mean, this one's doing 11,000 with only 42 reviews, which is not bad. But this one's doing 31 reviews, 8,000. So actually, this product doesn't look too bad. It seems like the top competitor has 668 reviews. It doesn't look that bad because, like what I talked about in a previous video, it's like if you have people that have tons of reviews like this, but you're able to differentiate and make your product stand out, like this person right here. For whatever reason, I guess people are buying this as well. Even with low reviews and stuff like 31, you're still be able to make sales and stuff. It just depends on how you market the product, how you present it to people, etc. But I am trying to figure out. And then, like I said in the previous video, these people with a whole bunch of reviews, their product pictures probably aren't the best as well. Like this person, look how basic these product pictures are. They aren't that good, but he's still making a killing. And then let's go ahead and scroll down to this person. I bet this person has better pictures. So yeah, this person probably has better pictures. They look more HD, they look more detailed, and it looks like it has different versions. I'm not sure if the other person did, but that is the whole idea of Amazon FBA, guys. Literally in those two listings. But yeah, guys, that's all I really want to talk about in this video. This is a very useful method for you guys to use, because I guarantee a lot of these products that you do find in this method, if you find good ones or bad ones, doesn't matter. Some of them probably won't even be on the web app, depending on, especially if you're the type of person that throws in random criteria, or not random criteria, but like criteria that's very basic, like $15 or $20 or 200 sales or 500 sales or 10,000 in revenue, 20,000 in revenue. So you just got to keep that in mind. But this is a very useful method if you don't want to use a web app, or you just simply want to switch it up. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this because I know I talked about it in a previous video, but I didn't really go into depth or show you exactly my thought process going through it. But that is the whole idea. So if we go back to the main page here, where we had the is this it? No, that's not it. The bestsellers. So yeah, this is the whole idea. And you would literally go through all these categories. Now, if you're not finding anything, maybe go through 3 or 4 of them, back out, go to another department, and then, or category, and then go deeper into those subcategories and do the same exact thing. And then go deeper into the rabbit hole, guys. Literally learn more about the niche. Like if you find this product right here that's doing crazy numbers like that, go scroll down to the bottom and look at other products that are related to it. I guarantee you, within enough time, you will find a product that looks interesting, or a product that you haven't found on the web app. I've done it before. Now I'm not saying that you'll find a whole crazy products out there that are doing tens of thousands each month with completely no reviews. But this is a alternative method if you don't want to worry about trying to launch a product on the web app that's going to get competitive and saturated really quickly, just because everyone's finding the same exact one. So I'm just trying to watch out for you guys. But yeah. So yeah, guys, that is the whole concept. It's just basically just dumpster diving for products and discovering this different niches and stuff. So let me see here. So yeah, usually kitchen and dining is really a really good category. So I've heard a lot of people talk about, like Kevin David, if you guys know him on YouTube. He says there's a lot of good stuff in there. So, but that is all the type of stuff that you guys would should watch out for. So with all that being said, hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys, and got some value out of it. I just really wanted to show you guys step by step on how exactly to do this. I know the setting is a little bit weird because I'm literally in my car, but I just wanted to make this video because I didn't want to wake up my family or whatever, because they are sleeping. But I'm trying to make these daily videos for you guys and give all that value. So make sure you guys like down below, make sure you subscribe and comment on what you guys want to see next, different tutorials and stuff. And I do have different templates as you guys can be using in the description for negotiating with suppliers, and also creating good product descriptions and bullet points. So I will see you in the next one. Peace.